Hi guys, welcome back to another MD video. Today we are putting a cold air intake on my brother's Z3 BMW. Stick around. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna get rid of the old airbox. Gonna remove the filter. It's a slide-in filter. Take off the two clamps. It's got two screws on the side. Take that out, and we're gonna take out this whole airbox, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, so we've got a few parts left over from when I did the intake on my Mazda, and we're going to utilize that on the BMW here. So got a rubber that's going to couple to the bend so that we can turn the filter down. It's going to be seated right behind or just offside of the headlight for that airflow to get directly into the filter. It's going to look good.
Away from me, I need you to stay right there. I'm coming right away, my dear. I tried this, tried that, tried everything. Coming right back, won't you wait for me? I need you to stay right there. I'm coming right away, my dear.
There we go, the install is done. It was really easy, just 2 bolts, pull it out, put the new one in, sorted. So if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and then we will see you on the next one. See ya.